Online guys, my voice is clear. Online guys, my voice is clear. Am I audible? Please respond anybody. Online guys, my voice is clear. Okay. Okay guys. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you guys. First of all, I will introduce myself. This is Anil. I have a 8 plus years experience in real time. I am working. My first company is the Wells Fargo. Currently, I am working in entity data. I'm completely automation test engineer estate. I am able to teach manual testing and automation Selenium with Java and Tosca and Cypress and API testing, manual and automation. Actually, this is my profile. I worked on these are all these are all tools in my first company. And present company, I am working in Tosca with Cypress. This is myself, guys. And here and offline, guys, how many people is there non-IT background? Non-IT. Okay. IT background. Okay. Okay, guys. You don't worry about that one, about the testing. I am able to teach everything from scratch. What I did in real time, as it is, I will explain in front of you. Coming to the testing, what type of concepts I am able to discuss. Coming to the Selenium, what type of concepts I am able to discuss. The first one is manual testing. The first concept, manual testing. And after that, I am able to discuss complete core Java. Core Java. And after that, I am able to discuss Selenium. In this Selenium, I am able to discuss TestNG framework and data-driven framework and Cucumber framework. Cucumber framework. After completion of the Selenium, I am able to discuss API manual. And after that, I am able to discuss API automation. API automation. Once complete the API, after that I will discuss Jira. In this Jira, I am able to discuss Zipper Scale. This is the new tool. Recently in my company, people are write the test cases in this Zipper Scale. This is available in this Jira. Once Jira is completed, I am able to discuss GitLab. Once Git is completed, I am able to discuss Jenkins. Once Jenkins is completed, I am able to discuss database testing. In this time, you people are getting one doubt. Within this amount, you guys are able to discuss these are all tools or not. Yes, we are able to discuss. These are all tools. Manual testing, complete manual testing real time with the project. With the two projects, I will explain manual testing. And after that, complete core Java, okay, which is important in real time and in interview time. That one I will teach from scratch, zero knowledge. You don't have any idea about the coding part. You don't worry about that one. Okay, I will teach you from starting, from zero knowledge. You people are able to understand 100%. What is public, how to write the code, where you guys are able to write the code, what is variable. Everything I will teach you from scratch. And after that, after completion of the Selenium, and I am able to discuss how to write the Selenium code by using these three types of frameworks. Basically, we are able to discuss TestNG, but I am able to discuss TestNG framework, data-driven framework, and Cucumber framework, both. And after that, API testing, how to do the back-end testing. Functional testing is the front end. How to do the back-end testing? Okay, back-end testing by using API. This is manually. I will explain. I will show you how to do in real time. And after that, if you want to do the automation testing backend by using API, how to do API testing backend by using code, I will show you. The next one, Jira. What is use of the Jira? How to release the application to customer by using Jira. How to log the defects to the how to log the defects to the developer by using Jira. How to write the test cases by using Jira, which is useful in Jira. Everything I will explain. The next one, Git. This is version control. How to pull the code, how to push the code from repository. If you want to pull the code, if you want to push the code from repository, we need to write some DevOps commands. We need to write some DevOps commands. That commands I will explain how to push and how to pull. The next one, Jenkins. The next one, Jenkins. By using Jenkins, how to do the CI/CD. What is the CI/CD? Continuous integration, continuous deployment or delivery. Continuous integration. Okay? The developer develop the application, the tester testing the application, the delivery department deliver the application. Continuous integration, continuous deployment. How to do? That one I will explain. The next one, what kind of job in database? Automation tester job. What is the automation tester job? What is the automation tester job in database? That one I will explain. What is our job in database? What is our job in database? I will explain. You guys are observe, this is completely real time. I will explain. Sometimes in middle of the sessions, I will show you my application also. Real time application also I will show you. This is the content what I need to discuss: manual testing, core Java, Selenium, and TestNG framework, data-driven framework, and Cucumber, and API testing. Coming to the API testing, manual, how to do the manual by using Postman, how to do the automation by using REST assured. I will explain clearly, guys. This is the content what I was discuss. Okay. First of all, manual testing I am able to discuss. Once complete the manual testing, I will start the core Java from scratch. Once complete the core Java here, you no need to learn the core Java separately. I am able to teach complete core Java, separate core Java. You no need to learn. What I was discussed there, as it is, I will explain here. Full stack people is there. Okay. For that full stack people, I will take the core Java sessions. See what I was explained there. Same thing I will explain here. You don't need to learn. The core Java completely I will discuss from scratch. The next one, Selenium. Coming to the Selenium, I will explain by using frameworks, different frameworks. Everything I will explain how to do the testing in real time as an automation tester, how to do the testing in real time. I will explain by using these three frameworks. Coming to this is completely front-end testing. Front-end, Selenium. Functional testing, we are able to do front-end. Coming to the back-end testing, API testing. Coming to the back-end testing, API testing. And after that, you know guys, how to release the application to customer by using Jira. The next one, how to log the defects to the developer by using Jira. The next one, how to write the test cases by using Scale. And how to push the code, pull the code by using Git. How to do the CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment, I will explain. Finally, what is the job of the automation tester role in database? These are all I will discuss. If I want to complete, these are all things. It will be take the duration 3 months, 20 days. 3 months, 20 days. If I want to discuss, this is the normal track, not a fast track. If I want to take the fast track, it will be take complete course. I am able to complete 1 month, 20 days. Okay. Now this is completely normal track. I am able to discuss 3 months, 20 days. 3 months, 20 days. Maximum 3 months. Okay. Some people are unable to understand when I write, while writing the test cases, the time I need to explain clearly pin to pin. That's why it will be take some extra days, 20 days. Okay. That's why I'm telling before. That's why I'm telling before it will be take 3 months, 20 days. Is it clear or not? The content is clear. Is it clear? Yeah. Coming to the subject. What is the testing? Do you have any idea about the what is the testing? Guys? Okay, all right. The testing completely depends on two things. The testing completely depends on two things. The first one is the testing is completely depends on two things. The first one is the verification. The second one is the validation. The testing is completely depends on two things: verification, validation. What is the verification? What is the verification? The element is available or not. You can verify. What is the verification? Your expected element. For example, once you guys are launch the Amazon application, sell button is there or not? Sell button is there or not? Verification. Coming to the validation. Coming to the validation, the sell button is properly working or not. That is the testing. The complete testing is depends on these two things. The testing we are able to do in different ways. The first one is the manual testing. Second one is the automation. What is the manual testing? The manual testing is completely human efforts. The manual testing is completely human efforts. We no need to install any software for manual testing. The second one, automation testing. Without human effort, how to verify, how to validate? Without human effort. If you want to do automation testing without human effort, we need to write some piece of code. You don't worry, that is very easy. You need to write some piece of code. If you want to write some piece of code, we need one supporting language. In this market, we have a different languages is there. Java, Python, C#, Ruby, and JSE.NET. Yeah, that is C#. We have a different types is there. Okay. First of all, we are going to discuss about basic, what is the testing, how it is working. This is the software testing, guys. The software testing is two types. One is the manual and second one is the automation. One is the manual, second one is the automation. And coming to the manual, we no need to install any software for the manual. That is completely human effort. If you want to do the automation testing, we need to learn first step core Java. We need to learn first step core Java. Okay. And once you guys learn the core Java, after that we are able to start the Selenium. After that we are able to start the Selenium. After that we are able to start the Selenium. See, automation testing is nothing but a Java with Selenium, Python with Selenium, and C# with Selenium. That is we call a automation testing. That is we call a automation testing. Is it clear or not? Okay. See, in this market, we have a different types of automation testings is there, guys. The first automation testing is the QTP, Quick Test Provision. The first automation testing is the QTP. You guys are observed clearly. The first automation testing is the QTP. Okay. The QTP is updated. After that we got Selenium RC, remote control, Selenium RC. After that we got updated Selenium IDE. After that we got Selenium WebDriver. After that we got Selenium Grid. Selenium Grid. Okay. See, this is completely Selenium related. This is completely Selenium related. See, the Selenium RC remote control only able to handle the client end. The user sometimes is not able to handle the Selenium RC. The time people are developed IDE, integrate development environment. This is also sometimes is not supports for web applications. For that one, introduce Selenium WebDriver. This is absolutely working any application. After that, we got a Selenium grid. Compare with the Selenium grid, the Selenium WebDriver is fully support, user friendly. User friendly. Nowadays, almost people are using Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver. Is it clear or not? Yeah. The latest tool in future tool. Okay. In future, the future is the Tosca. This is introduced Tricentis company. This is introduced Tricentis company. The next one is the Cypress. The next one is the Cypress. See, what is the Cypress? Nowadays, people are using Cypress. Which type of applications we are able to use Cypress? The developer able to develop the application front end by using Angular and React.js. The developer developed the application front end by using Angular and React.js. The WebDriver is not support. The Selenium WebDriver is not support. The Cypress is supported. The Cypress is supported. Out of 100%, people are developed only 3% nowadays by using Angular and React.js. Remaining 98% backend Java, Python, C#, .NET. That is we are able to handle by using Selenium. By using Selenium. Coming to the Tosca, any type of application we are able to handle. Any type of application, web application we are able to handle. Window application we are able to handle. SAP application we are able to handle. Functional testing we are able to handle. Any type API testing we are able to handle. This is the Tosca. My 7:30 batch is the Tosca. 9 o'clock and 11 o'clock is the Selenium. And next month I am able to introduce Tosca with Cypress. Tosca with Cypress. Okay. This is the structure of the automation. The first QTP, after that RC, after that Selenium IDE and WebDriver and Grid. Okay. This is completely Selenium related. This is completely Selenium related. Is it clear or not? Clear? Yeah. Next step, guys. How to do the testing in real time. How to do the testing in real time. If you want to do the testing in real time, first of all, one application is required. One application is required. You guys are observed that is Gmail application. Is it clear? Just this is the demo session, not a actual session. Okay, just a demo session. How to do the what is the testing is clear, and how to do the testing in real time. Okay. Gmail application. I want to validate, I want to verify the Gmail application as a manual tester. I am a manual tester. I want to do the manual testing on my Gmail application. The tester always validate the application. The tester always validate the application staging. The tester always validate the application staging. You guys are able to get what is the staging. Okay. In real time, the developer are using dev URL. The tester using staging URL. The production department using user URL. In real time, we are able to use three types of URLs. The first one is the dev URL that is completely different. We are unable to handle. The tester able to use staging URL. Before doing the testing, the developer provide the staging URL to testing department. For example, I am a developer, you are a tester. If I want to provide the staging URL to tester, first of all, I have two options in my application. I am using dev URL. Once launch this dev URL, I have one option is there. In this option, mode option, the second one is the environment option. The second one is the environment option. As a developer, I need to select the mode is the active. The environment is the staging. Once I provide these options in my drop downs, automatically the staging URL will generate. The staging URL will generate. This URL, once generate the URL, that URL I need to provide to the testing team. How you guys are able to get the staging URL? You don't need to worry about that staging URL. Before starting the testing, the dev people convert the dev URL to staging URL. How they will convert? Mode is the active, environment is the staging. We have a different options is there in environment. When you guys are select the staging, that will be convert to the staging URL. If you want to select the dev, that will be convert to the dev URL. If you want to select the user, that will be convert to the user URL. Okay, the tester always need to do staging URL. Is it clear? How you guys are able to get the staging URL? Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Clear or not? Okay, next one. The first one, yeah, I will explain Gmail, guys. Okay, what is the testing? Next one, why the testing? What is use of the testing? What is the testing? Why testing? And what is use of the testing? This is basic things, guys. What is the testing? You know, guys, the testing is nothing but a verification and a validation. The testing is nothing but a verification and a validation. Why testing? It is very important. Why testing? Pressures level. You people are getting this question. Why testing? If you want to release any application to customer, without a tester, without testing, the customer is unable to accept 100%. Before providing the project to company people, the customer will take some information from company. Some information means who will involved in this project. For example, 20 people are able to involved in this project. Out of 20 people, how many testers is there? How many developers is there? The client will ask to company people. The company people will explain to client, if I want to take this application, in this application total 20 resource is available. Out of 20 resource, 15 people is the dev and remaining 5 is the testers. This information, complete 20 people related resumes the company people will provide to the client. Our information is available at client. This is proper way. Once got the project, the developer develop the application. If you want to release the application, why testing? If you want to release the application to customer, once complete the testing, we are able to release the application to the customer. In this time, what is use of the testing? We are able to provide the quality product to the customer. We are able to provide the certified product to the customer. That is a testing. You guys are know? You have an idea about the ISI? That is certified. And you guys are heard about FASSI, FASI. If you guys are purchase any food item, on that food item, FASSI is there. That is quality. Certified product. So, in coming to the software industry, if you want to release any application to customer, must and should tester is required. Yeah, you guys are able to have different ways. What is the use of the tester nowadays? Who will do the testing? Okay, without testing, we are unable to release the application. 100%. I have a nearby 9 years experience. Okay, I am a first Oracle developer. After that, after 1 year, I convert to the testing. Okay, just I did 1 year in Oracle, and after that I convert to complete tester. I did mobile testing, automation testing, everything I did, which is available nowadays. Every tool I worked on that one. So you don't worry about that one, guys. Okay, without testing, we are unable to release the application. The tester provide the quality product to the company. The tester provide the quality product to the customer. Okay, that is certified product. You can explain to the customer, this is certified product. The testing is completed. Now go to the production. They will verify, then release the application to the customer. And next one, what is use of the testing? What is use of the testing? Without testing, we are unable to release the application to the customer. Why testing? Quality. What is use of the testing? Without testing, we are unable to release the application to the customer. Is it clear or not? What is the testing? Why testing? What is use of the testing is clear? Okay, the next one. You guys are observe. This is one company. Naresh IT is one company. In this company, Java project is there, .NET project is there, Tableau project is there, Ruby project is there, and Python project is there. Okay, total 6 projects is there. Different projects is there. Am I clear? Is it clear or not? Okay. If you want to take a Java project, Java developers are separate. Is it clear? If you want to take a Python project, Python developers are separate. If you want to take a .NET project, .NET developers are separate. If you want to take a Ruby project, Ruby is separate. If you want to take a JSC project, JavaScript executor project, JSC people are separate. Is it clear or not? But testers are saying, you are able to eligible Java project, you are able to eligible .NET, you are able to eligible Python, you are able to eligible any project. The Selenium support 6 languages. The Selenium support 6 languages. See, developers are different, but testers are able to eligible any project. Is it clear or not? Is it clear? Yeah, done. Yeah, coming to the point, how to do the testing in real time by using Gmail. Okay, you guys are observe, I got a application URL. Gmail application URL, that is staging URL. That is staging URL. Okay, step number one. Step number one. We got staging URL. Okay, we got staging URL. Yeah. Step number two. Step number two. We need one browser. We need one browser. The customer expected browser is the Fire. The customer expected browser is the Fire. Okay, Firefox browser. Now I need to launch the Firefox browser. Now I need to do the manual testing. Okay, this is completely human effort. We no need to install any software for the manual testing. Okay, we no need to install any software for the manual testing. Once I launch the application here, I need to enter the staging URL here. I need to enter the staging URL. Is it clear or not? Step number two is clear. Launch the browser, enter the URL. Okay, done. Once I enter the URL, I click on the enter button. Just concentrate here. I click on the enter button. Once I click on the enter button, what is our expected result? Got it? My question is clear. Once I enter URL, I click on enter button. What is our expected result? You know, guys, what is that one? Huh? Okay. What that page? What we call? Huh? Sorry. You know, guys, that one. You know, once you guys are enter the Gmail URL, you click on the enter button. Okay. The time it should be displayed. What is our expected result? Expected means before doing the testing. Expected means before doing the testing. Is it clear? Okay. What is our expected result? Login page. Very good. We are expecting login page. But I am expecting two things. The first one, sign in page or login page. Second one, already in this browser, I was using earlier one credential. Already I was using in this browser one credential, Gmail credential. My second expected, choose an account. This is my expected. Expected means before doing the testing. Expected means before doing the testing. Now I will do the testing. Now I will do the testing. This is we call actual. This is we call actual result. After completion of the testing, we call actual result. Actual result is nothing but system response. Actual result is nothing but system response. Whenever you guys are enter the URL, you click on enter button. The time, what is the system response? I am expecting before doing the testing, two expected result. After completion of the testing, the system provides some response. My expected result and actual result, both are same. Is it clear or not? My expected result, system response, actual result, both are same. The result is pass. The test case is pass. You guys are able to understand? Shall I repeat? Shall I repeat? Repeat, yeah. If I want to enter any application URL, I need to click on enter button. I need to click on enter button. Before click on the enter button, I am expecting something. I am expecting my customer requirement. I am expecting means my customer requirement. My customer requirement is once you guys are launch the browser, the first one login page or else choose an account page. That is the customer requirement. See, I need to enter the application URL. I need to click on enter button. Once I click on the enter button, I am able to get that what is the system response. I need to verify. Expected result is nothing but a before doing the testing. Actual result is nothing but once complete the testing. Once complete the testing means enter the URL, click on the enter button. Testing is completed. What is the system response? System provide choose an account. The expected result, actual result, both are same. The result is pass. The test case is pass. Is it clear or not? Okay. Before testing, what we call? What we are thinking before testing? Expected result. After completion of the testing, actual result is nothing but a system response. Is it clear? These two terminology we are able to use repeatedly. Okay. These two terminologies we are able to use repeatedly. Step number 2 is completed. Step number 3. Step number 3. Verify the application. What? Functionality. Verify the application functionality. Once you guys are launch the application, Google choose an account, is it should be displayed or not, and this country language drop down is properly working or not, we need to verify. We need to verify. And use another account is there or not. Remove on account is there or not, we need to verify. We need to verify. What is the step number 3? Verify the application functionality. Verify the application functionality. The next one, step number 4. Validate the application functionality. Validate the application functionality. What I need to validate? You guys are observe. Once I click on use another account, it is clickable or not, I need to verify. I want to click on use another account. Yes, I am able to click on the use another account. Okay. See, forget email is properly working or not. Learn more is working or not. Create account is working or not. And once you guys are able to select any language, what is our expected result? Once you guys are select any language, this is navigate to the, you guys are observe. You guys are select United States, already is there. I want to select this one. This is navigate to the choose an account page. If you guys are select any language, that is navigate to the choose an account page. That is expected. See, I need to verify here everything. How you guys are find the defects? The testing terminology defect. See, I want to click on the create account before doing the testing. Listen, before doing the testing, I am expecting Once I click on the create account, it should be displayed three elements. The first one, my business, myself, my child. Before doing the testing, I am expecting these three elements. Now I will start the testing. I need to click on create account. Once I click on the create account, it should be displayed three elements. My expected result and actual result both are same. The test case is pass. But here in my requirement document, in my customer requirement document, myself, my child, my business is there. Now test case is pass. Unfortunately, myself is not there once I click on the create account. In my customer requirement document, myself is there. Coming to the application, myself is not there. What we call? That is called a defect. That is called a defect. What is the defect? The difference between expected result and actual result is nothing but a defect. What is the expected result? Before doing the testing, we are expecting something. What is the actual result? Once complete the testing, the system provides some response, that is actual result. Both are same, test case is pass. Both are different, that is called a defect. Test case is fail. Test case is fail. How you guys are inform the defect to particular developer? Why we call particular developer? Who was developed this element? You need to inform to particular developer by using Jira. By using Jira. How to log the defect to developer? I will tell you. Okay, is it clear or not? Everybody is clear? The next one, validate the application functionality. Done. The next step number 5, email and password. Email and password input or edit or not. Email and password input or edit, input or edit or not. Okay, what is the input or edit, guys? Do you have any idea? I know, guys, this is looking silly. Some people are thinking, okay, in real time, each and every step we need to validate. For example, you guys are unable to validate this step. Oh, it is working, no problem. We will release the application. We need to inform to the production people. Your testing is completed. You can release the application to the customer. Okay. This is looking just you guys are testing. That's it. You guys are imagine. Unfortunately, you people are unable to test this element. The time what happened, you know, once you release the application to customer, the customer side, some third-party testers is there. I am also working third-party tester in New York, customer end, and Canada and Saudi. I am also working customer end. The time they will validate each and every step. Each and every step they will validate. They will find in this application any defect is there or the tester miss any defect or not, they will verify. The time the third party tester got any defect in this application, immediately the customer reject the application. The time what happened? Coming to the company, They will conduct the meeting. In this meeting, who are involved in this project? 20 people. The 20 people are gathered. Okay. The work from home. Okay. In online teams, not a work from home, hybrid system, office, and we have a meeting hall is there. They will gather in a meeting hall. Okay. And in this meeting, who has developed this element and who has tested this element? The project manager will ask. The time someone is raise the hand, someone is right. Development side, someone is raise. Testing side, someone is raise. Okay. That is completely highly escalate. That is completely highly escalated. Your name is noted in this team. Your name is noted in this team. Okay. See, once your name is noted, you are not a good tester. You are not a good tester. Okay. So that's why I'm telling. I said clearly step by step. You people are thinking testing, that's it. But testing is not an easy, guys. Developer will develop the application, but tester provide the quality. Provide the quality. You guys are able to eat anything street food? No, nowadays people are choosing quality food. Quality food. Like that one. The customer able to provide, the customer also able to accept the quality application. Quality application. Okay. Yeah, that's it. The next one, able to validate the application input or edit. What is the input, guys? What is the edit? Do you have an idea? Email and password, we are able to do input or edit. Input means correct. Edit means, first of all, you guys are able to validate username password is the enable mode or disable mode. Username password is the enable mode or disable mode. That is enable mode. You are able to enter the data or not. That is input. Sometimes you people are enter the data, you are unable to remove the data. You guys are observe, once you guys are enter the data you are able to remove the data or not. That is edit. That is edit. The input or edit is working or not. Sometimes some elements, some fields is the input, but not a edit. You are able to enter the data, but we are unable to delete the data. We are unable to edit the data. So that is called a defect. That is called a defect. Okay. See, we need to validate step number 5, input or edit. Step number 6, we need to do positive testing and negative testing. Positive testing and negative testing. What is the positive testing? The positive testing, always we need to use valid credentials. The positive testing, always we need to use valid credential. Now I will do the positive testing. Okay. Now I will do the positive testing. This is my valid credential. Now I need to validate the next button. Once I click on one time, single click, it is navigate to the password page or not. It is navigate to the password page or not. I need to click on the next button. We are expecting before doing the testing, this is navigate to the password page. Okay. The actual result and expected result both are same. Now I need to enter password. Now I need to enter password. Click on the next button. Once I click on the next button, What is our expected output? What is our expected? Navigate to? In navigate to? Basically, if you want to enter the username and password, you click on the login button. What happened? Navigate to home page. Which home page? The time you're on, so once you enter the username and password, you click on the login button or next button, our expected result, navigate to the Gmail inbox page. That is expected. That is expected. Navigate to the Gmail inbox page. Navigate to the Gmail inbox page. This is our expected result. This is first time to use. Navigate to the Gmail inbox page. This is our expected. This is our expected. Navigate to the, see guys, this is highlighted or not? Navigate to the Gmail inbox page. Once I click on the sign out button, I am able to navigate to the choose an account page. Choose an account page. It is working. Which is working? Which is working? The positive is the working. The positive is the working. Your job is not completed. Your job time starts now by using negative testing. As a tester, you need to think in different ways how to do the negative testing. Why we need to do the negative testing? We need to provide quality product to the customer. We need to provide quality product to the customer. Okay. See guys, you guys are observe how to write the scenarios, negative scenarios. I need to validate the Gmail application. If I want to validate the Gmail application, I need to write some negative scenario. What is the first scenario? What is the first negative scenario? I need to enter alphabets. What is the second scenario? I need to enter alphabets plus numbers. And what is the third scenario? I need to enter alphabets plus numbers plus special characters. Special characters. Okay. Now you guys are observe. The first one is the I need to enter some alphabets. I need to enter some alphabets. I click on the next button. I click on the next button. What is our expected result? Once you guys are click on the next button, what is our expected result? This is what type of testing? Negative testing. Once you guys are enter the invalid data, you click on next button. What is our expected result? Expected means before testing. Very good. Before doing the testing, I am expecting something. I am expecting means the customer expected. Whatever the customer expected, that is my expected. Whatever the customer expected, that is my expected. Once I click on the next button, what is our expected? Yeah. See guys, we are expecting Google could not find Google account. Could not find Google account. Could not find Google account. Now I need to enter test 1 scenario. First scenario is pass. Negative testing is pass. First scenario, what is our expected? Once I enter invalid data, I am able to get error state. That is my expected. Once I enter invalid data, I click on next button. I am able to get error message. What I am expecting after completion of the testing, both are same. both are same. The testing is, the test is pass. Is it clear? Yeah. Type 2. I mean, second scenario. I need to enter second scenario here. I enter the alphabets and numbers, alphabets and numbers, and click on the next button, and click on the next button. Once I click on the next button, what is my expected here? Sorry? Yeah, we are expecting also error. Okay. What is the actual result I need to verify? Yeah. After completion of the testing, I got same. My test case is pass. Expected and actual both are same. My test case is pass. Okay. Third scenario. You guys are observe third scenario. Numbers and special characters. I click on next button. I click on next button. The second time also what I am expecting. The third time also what I am expecting. Error message. Just I want to click on the next button. I got a different error. I got a different error. Is it clear or not? Before we got could not find your Google account. In this time we got enter a valid email or phone number. What is the difference between the two error states? What is the difference between the two error states? Do you have any idea? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. See guys, before could not find your Google account. Whatever you provide data, alphabets, numbers, the data is not available in Gmail database. When you guys are provide the request means next. Okay. The Gmail is go to the database location. The Gmail will verify inside of the database this related. Any information is there or not. Any information is not match in database. The time the Gmail throw some error. Could not find Google account. The next one, enter a valid email or phone number. See guys, the first three letters, my name, first three letters, ANI. The next, so many people are using 1, 2, 3. So many people are using 1, 2, 3. The next one, @ is obviously already inbuilt is there. Okay. See guys, when you guys are provide the next button, we got different error message. Enter a valid email or phone number. See what is the error message? The Gmail will explain to user, I am a user. Mr. User, you are providing some information. That information is matched inside of the database. You can provide valid email or phone number. Something is matched in database. You can provide valid email or password. That is the difference between the error state. The negative testing and positive testing both are pass. Both are pass. Now what we need to do? We can release the application to the production page. We can release the application to the production page. The production people, they will verify, then they will release the application. Then they will release the application. Is it clear or not? This is how to do the manual testing real time. See, I was verify username and password. Okay. And I was verify every element. I was verify verification, validation, both is done here. The next one, GUI testing. The step number 7, GUI testing. What is the GUI? Graphical user interface. Okay, some people they call language testing. Some people they call language testing. Okay, once you guys are launching the application, Google spelling is correct or not, signing spelling is correct or not, to continue to Gmail spelling is correct or not, each and everything you need to do language testing. This will be take 2 or 3 days, guys. One day we are unable to do. The company people will provide some time, 2 days or 3 days. You need to validate the language testing. It is very, very important, language testing. Okay, this is happened in initial stage. Before doing the positive negative, we need to do the language testing. There are 3 types of languages is there. Okay, once you guys are getting the job, you people are able to understand. The first language, US language. The second language, Z language. The third language, RZ language. Okay, Z language, RZ language, US language. Okay, see these 3 languages we need to validate. Once you people are able to join the company, those people are explain clearly what is the Z language or Z language. Okay, every language we need to validate. Okay, it will be take some time, guys. It is not completed within 1 or 2 days. It will be take maximum 1 week. So this is initial basic testing, manual testing, basic testing, manual testing. We no need to install any software for the manual testing. Okay, see, basically if you want to do these are all things, we need to write the test cases. We need to write the test cases. First, understand the requirement, write the test cases. Okay, yeah, that's it. The next one, testing approach. How to do the testing? First question, what is the testing approach? How to do the testing in real time? If you want to do the testing, what is your approach? What is your approach? The first step, once we got the requirement from the customer, first step, the first approach, once we got the requirement from the customer, second step, we need to analyze the requirements. We need to understand the requirements. Is it clear? We need to analyze the requirements and we need to understand the requirements. Third step, once you guys are able to understand the requirements, once you guys are understand the requirement, you need to write the scenarios. You need to write the scenarios. Once you guys are write the scenarios, based on the scenario, fourth step, once you guys are write the scenario, based on the scenario, we need to write the test case. We need to write the test case. Fifth step, once you guys are write the test cases you need to execute on your application. The sixth step, once you guys are execute the test cases, we need to analyze expected result and actual result. Once you guys are execute the test cases, we need to analyze expected result and actual result. How many test cases are passed? How many test cases are failed? Step number 7. Out of 20 test cases, 15 test cases are passed. 5 test cases are failed. Okay. Step number 7. How to log the defect to the developer? Step number 7. Step number 8. What is the defect status? Every half an hour we need to validate, verify. The defect status means in progress or not, open or not. You need to verify. This is the testing approach. You guys are able to understand? This is the basic knowledge how to do the testing. Once we got the requirement from the customer, first step. Second step, we need to we need to understand and analyze the requirements. Once we got the requirement from the customer, we need to understand and analyze the requirement. First, second is completed. Third step, based on the requirements, we need to create the scenarios. Fourth step, once you guys are create the scenarios based on the requirement, fourth step, based on the scenarios, you need to write the test cases. Fifth step, once complete the test cases, you guys are execute the test case document on your application. Sixth step, once you guys are execute the test cases on your application, as a tester, you need to analyze what is the expected result and actual result. Out of 20 test cases, 15 pass, 5 fail. Step number 7, how to log the defect to the particular developer. Step number 7. Step number 8, what is the defect status? This is the approach. This is the approach. Yeah, I was using some terminologies. Requirement. Okay, what is the requirement document? The customer provides some requirement. My logo, it should be displayed once launches the application, right side corner, and grocery is there, left side, one, and menu is there in middle of the home page. That is requirement. Okay, that is requirement. See guys, once I launch the Gmail application or Gmail, okay, once I launch the Amazon application, requirement. Once you guys are launched the application, customer requirement, Amazon logo, it should be displayed right side, page right side corner, page right side corner, and menu, all menu, it should be displayed page right side corner below Amazon logo. This is the customer requirement. Third requirement, the search is there in middle of the page. This is the requirement. Next terminology, scenario. What is the scenario? Question, interview question. What is the difference between the scenario and test case? What is the difference between the scenario and test case? The scenario is nothing but explain the application functionality. The scenario is nothing but explain the application functionality. For example, if you want to go to the Naresh IT, how you guys are able to go? You need to go to the SR Nagar and go to a Satyam Theatre and take first right. That is explain the functionality. And test case will explain how to do the testing. The test case will explain how to do the testing. How to do the testing is nothing but, okay, our target is the Naresh IT. Yeah, you are in here, take first right, and take first left, beside, one shop is there and opposite one temple is there. See, explain step by step how to do the testing. Scenario will explain the functionality. Test case will explain how to do the testing step by step. Is it clear or not? Clear or not? Okay. You guys are able to understand how to do the manual testing, what is the scenario and test case, and what is the testing, why testing, what is use of the testing. Everyone able to understand? Do you have any doubts testing related? You guys are asking me, guys. I will tell you. If you have any doubt regarding testing related, any doubt, not only automation, any type of testing, you guys are able to ask, I am able to answer. If you have any doubt, now you are able to understand. This flow is clear. It is normal or little bit faster? Normal. This flow is okay for you? Okay. Yeah. If you guys are unable to understand any topic, at the moment you guys are raise your hand, definitely I am able to explain. Online and offline, guys. Okay. If you have any doubt, okay, Mina, I will tell you. Okay. If you have any doubt, guys, at the moment you guys raise your hand, and offline, guys, text me here in chat box, Zoom chat. Okay. I am able to explain number of times. Okay. Finally, if I want to explain 4 or 5 times, you are unable to understand. Finally, I will explain in your comfortable language. Okay. In your comfortable language. Definitely the time you people are able to understand. Is it clear or not? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Meena, testing approach is nothing but once we got the requirement from the customer, first step. Second step, we need to analyze and understand. Third step, we need to create the scenarios based on the customer requirement. Fourth step, based on the scenarios, we need to write the test cases. Fifth step, the test case document you need to execute on your application. Sixth step, once you guys are execute the application, how many test cases are passed, how many test cases are failed, you need to analyze. Seventh step, once you got the error, failed test cases, how you guys are able to log the defect to the developer, you need to, how you guys are log the defect to the particular developer. And eighth step, what is the defect status? Okay. That is we call testing approach. And Sheikh Shahjan, if you need that related information, you guys are able to contact the administrative people. Okay. Only I am able to provide quality testing tools. Okay. See guys, one thing you guys are remember, I am unable to provide the quality teaching. 100% you are unable to understand. Once I am able to provide the quality teaching, 100% you people are able to understand. Okay. See, that's why I'm telling here 3 types of people is there, guys. Poor, medium, gems. Okay, intelligent. See, I am able to teach. I need to cover these 3 types of people. I no need to discuss completely about intelligent people. I no need to discuss completely about the middle class, and I no need to discuss about completely poor people. I need to cover these 3 people. Okay, that's why I'm telling 2, 3, 4 times. But intelligent people don't feel like that. Okay, and I need to cover these 3 types of people. That is my target. And if you guys are unable to understand any concept or anything, you guys are need to ask at the moment. I am ready to say number of times. Number of times. Okay, clear? Thank you very much, guys. Okay, and tomorrow I will start right time 9:15. Okay, tomorrow I will start 9:15. Maybe tomorrow I will start the actual session, manual testing. Okay, if I want to discuss 2-3 days, I am unable to discuss the demo sessions, like demo session, what is the test. One session is enough. What is the testing? One session is enough. You people are able to get clear information within the session. The next session I am able to start. Next session I am able to start manual testing, first concept. Okay, tomorrow I am able to start the manual testing. You guys are able to attend the session right time 9:15. Okay, 9:15, 15. Okay, my 7:30 batch, it will be take some time, 9:10. Okay, I am able to attend exact 9:15. Okay, already my 11 o'clock batch was started. Okay, so I need to go to the new campus. Okay, thank you guys, thank you very much. My office time is the 12:30 second shift, B shift, 12:30 or 1 o'clock. Okay, yeah, that is the only I'm able to take the session morning time, not evening. Thank you guys, thank you very much. Okay, have a nice day. I will continue tomorrow. Bye. Online guys, thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow. If you have any doubt, please text me here. I am able to answer. Offline guys, if you have any doubt, please reach me. I am able to answer. Similar, there is no different .NET and Java. Similar, only some methods will be changed. Yeah, you are able to understand. Actually, I don't have an idea about the .NET. Now, and the last month I did the C#. That is similar. Okay, they will do the pricing. That is very fair. Yes. So, development, so, out of campus. Yeah, yeah. Something they are able to do. If you want to develop the application backend Python, they will ask you, okay, no problem, you can start sending it to each other. Okay, but particularly customer will maintain. Master should need to do the Python. The time the customer maintain the time they will give the training. Okay, methods are just small concepts. Yes, Gautam, I will cover. ప్రతి ప్రాజెక్ట్ 555 ఉంటే 5 ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంటే 5 ఇప్పుడు ఒక జావా ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంటే జావా వాళ్ళే పైథాన్ అంటే పైథాన్ కానీ టెస్ట్ మాన్యువల్కి వచ్చేసరికి ఏంటి ఏదైనా ఆరు ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ ఓకే Yes. Uh, Vishal, I am working in insurance domain. Okay, guys, thank you. Thank you very much. No, fine. Actually, I have conducted a BCA degree in 2014. 14. Yes. Actually, I did work in marketing sector. Mm. No problem. Yeah, yeah. I will explain how to manage the cap. Okay. I will explain. I will once complete the manual testing. I am able to take the resume preparation. Okay. And I am able to take one session how to cover the cap. Okay. That point was missing. No, no, no. That is your doubt. Yeah, we cover.